Hey crypto explorers, ever found yourself wondering about the hidden connections in the ever-expanding universe of decentralized finance? Specifically, have you ever paused and thought, how long has Gemini, that well-known crypto platform, been playing nice with Aave, one of the big players in lending and borrowing? It's a valid question, right? In the fast-paced world of crypto, partnerships and integrations can sometimes feel like they appear and evolve overnight. Keeping track of who's working with whom, and for how long, can be a real head-scratcher. You might be using Gemini, intrigued by Aave's potential for earning interest or taking out loans, and naturally curious about the history of their interaction. Was it a recent development? Have they been integrated for a significant amount of time? Understanding the duration of this support can give you a better sense of the stability and maturity of this particular DeFi access point. Before we dive into the specifics of Gemini and Aave, let's take a quick step back and appreciate the significance of both entities individually. Gemini, founded by the Winklevoss twins, has carved out a reputation as a regulated and security-focused cryptocurrency exchange and custodian. Since its inception, Gemini has emphasized compliance and user trust, aiming to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the burgeoning world of digital assets. They offer a platform for buying, selling, and storing a variety of cryptocurrencies, attracting both retail and institutional investors who prioritize a secure and regulated environment. Gemini's commitment to security and regulatory adherence has made it a preferred choice for many seeking a reliable gateway to the crypto market. Their focus on user education and clear communication further solidifies their position as a trustworthy platform. On the other side of the coin, we have Aave, a decentralized non-custodial liquidity protocol. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, Aave allows users to lend and borrow a diverse range of crypto assets without the need for intermediaries. Lenders can earn interest by depositing their crypto assets into liquidity pools, while borrowers can access over-collateralized loans. Aave's innovative features, such as flash loans, uncollateralized loans within a single block transaction, and interest rate switching, have propelled it to the forefront of the DeFi revolution. The protocol's governance token, Aave, plays a crucial role in its decentralized decision-making process, allowing the community to shape its future development. Aave's transparent and permissionless nature has attracted a massive user base and billions of dollars in locked value, making it a cornerstone of the DeFi ecosystem. So, why does the connection between a regulated exchange like Gemini and a decentralized protocol like Aave matter? Well, it speaks to the growing convergence of centralized and decentralized finance. Platforms like Gemini are increasingly looking for ways to offer their users access to the innovative opportunities presented by DeFi protocols like Aave. This integration can potentially lower the barrier to entry for users who are new to DeFi, providing a more familiar and regulated interface to interact with these complex protocols. For Aave, integration with established exchanges like Gemini can broaden its reach and increase its user base, fostering greater adoption and liquidity. Now, let's circle back to our main question: how long has Gemini supported Aave? To answer this accurately, we need to pinpoint the exact date when Gemini first enabled its users to interact with the Aave protocol, or more specifically, to deposit or withdraw Aave tokens, $Aave, through their platform. This could involve direct integration within the Gemini platform itself, allowing users to manage their Aave holdings alongside other cryptocurrencies, or it might refer to other forms of support or partnerships. Unfortunately, my internal knowledge base doesn't have a precise, readily available date for the initial integration of Aave support on Gemini. Cryptocurrency exchange integrations can sometimes be announced through blog posts, press releases, or platform updates. These announcements are often the best source of this specific information. To get a definitive answer, the most reliable approach would be to delve into Gemini's official announcements and historical updates. This might involve checking Gemini's official blog. Many exchanges maintain active blogs where they announce new features, listings, and partnerships. Searching their blog for mentions of Aave or $Aave could reveal the date of the initial support. Reviewing Gemini's announcement pages or press releases, Gemini likely issued a formal announcement when they first started supporting Aave. These announcements are usually archived on their website or distributed through press outlets. Scouring Gemini's Help Center or FAQ, their support documentation might contain information about the supported assets and the timeline of their integration. Looking through archived tweets or social media posts from Gemini, social media is often used for timely announcements in the crypto space. Searching Gemini's historical tweets for mentions of Aave could provide clues. Given the dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency space, specific dates of integration can sometimes be less prominently featured over time as new developments occur. However, the fact that Aave is a well-established and widely recognized DeFi protocol suggests that its integration with a major exchange like Gemini would likely have been announced publicly. While I can't provide a specific date right now, we can explore some possibilities and the likely time frame. Aave gained significant traction and recognition throughout 2020 and 2021 during the DeFi boom. It's plausible that Gemini's support for Aave was implemented sometime within this period or shortly thereafter, as exchanges sought to offer their users exposure to popular DeFi assets. Let's consider the different ways Gemini might support Aave. Direct listing for trading. This would involve allowing users to buy and sell the Aave token directly on the Gemini exchange against other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. This is the most common form of support. Custody services. Gemini, as a custodian, might offer secure storage solutions for Aave tokens for individuals and institutions. This doesn't necessarily imply direct trading but is a form of support. Integration with Gemini Earn or other yield-generating products. Gemini might have, at some point, allowed users to deposit their Aave tokens to earn interest through their Earn program or similar offerings. API integration. Developers might be able to interact with Aave through Gemini's API, although this is less direct user-facing support. Assuming the most likely scenario is the direct listing of Aave for trading, we would be looking for announcements related to asset listings on the Gemini platform. It's also important to note that the level of support might have evolved over time. For instance, Gemini might have initially listed Aave for spot trading and subsequently added features like custody or lending/borrowing if they ventured into that space for Aave. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.